Hello guys, in this video we will be talking about Google Analytics hierarchy. So basically Google Analytics hierarchy is divided into four categories. One is organization, second is an account, third is property, and fourth is views. To start with the organization, here your business or your company represents the organization where different tools like Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and Google Data Studio helps you to understand your business insights. So from the organization, you provide access to different accounts and basically give permission to different accounts. So the next we will talk about accounts. So account is the access point for your Google Analytics. To access the Google Analytics, you must have one account, at least one account. So from account you are able to access different properties. You can provide access to different properties as well as you can create new properties. So basically one organization can have multiple accounts. So using those accounts you can create or access your Google Analytics. Now the next thing is about property. So properties are your business entities like your websites or your mobile apps. So in Google Analytics, let's suppose you want to track your website. Uh, you want to see how many visitors per day you are getting in your website or your mobile apps. So you just need to create one property for that website, and from that you are able to get access or how many or data how many visitors you are getting in your website. So inside one account you can have multiple properties, which means from a single account you can get different data from different properties, like you have a mobile app as well as your you can also get data from your website. So from all these sources you are able to get a report, or you can see how, or you can observe how many visitors or how many sales you are getting from your website. So the next thing is the view. View is the report where you are providing access to users to see your reports. Let's say you want to show your reports about your website traffic, or you want to show about your sales. From this view or reports, you are providing access to different users, or this is the report part only. So basically one property can have multiple views where you can create different reports for different type of websites. You can let's suppose you want to show what category of what age of your visitors are visiting your website, or what kind of product actually you're making the high sale in from your website or your mobile apps, or how many people, what age of people are downloading your apps. For that kind of data, uh, from the view report you can, it becomes easier to understand the report. So this is all about Google Analytics hierarchy. So see you in the next video.